Yeah, good day, everyone. Here we are looking at geometric progression, which is under sequence and series. We are asked to find two things here, except from the GP, which is geometric progression. The first, second, and the last terms are given. We are asked first to find the common ratio and the number of terms from this series or sequence. Now, the first thing that we do here is to find one, the common what? The common ratio. R. Okay. Now to find this, what we are going to do, we are going to use this one to divide this. So we have 0.2 over 0.04, using the first one to divide the second value. So here we are moving the point twice here, 1, 2, so that this 4 will now be free. So moving it twice, and here we are moving it what? Once. So that means we'll add the second twice with the second one to this particular 2. So that will give us 20 over 4. So this will give us 5. So our common ratio here is 5. So we are going to use that common ratio to apply to the second equation, which is find the numbers of 10. So in doing that, we have n, because we have the last term, we are going to use n ut. You can use anything there. It can be un, okay, equals to a arrow n minus 1. A is the first term, arrow is the common ratio, n is the number of 10. The n is the what? The last term. So here our last term is 25, equal to the first term, which is a, which is 0.04, times common ratio is 5. We don't know n, so we put n minus 1. So here we have 25 equal to 0.045 raised to power n minus 1. Okay. So here, what we are going to do here now to reduce the problem, we are going to divide both sides by 0.04. So divide both sides by 0.04, we have 25 divided by 0.04 equal to 0.04 divided by 0.04, then 5 raised to power n minus 1. So this will cancel. So now I have 25 over 0.04 equal to 5 raised to power n minus 1. Okay. So I have to put this one here because this one is multiplying by n and at the same time multiplying the 1. So here we are going to use this one now to also remove the point there. So here we are counting the point. This is from here is 1, from here is what? 2. So that is 2. So here is a normal value. It has no, it's not a fraction. So we are going to add 2 0 to this one. We now have 2 5 0 0 divided by 4. Alright. Now 2 here will give us 2. 2 here will give us 1. 2 here will give us 2. Remaining what? 1. That is 10. Will give us 5. 0 over 2. So we cancel by 2 again. 2 here will give us 1. 2 here is 6. 2 here will give us 2. Remaining 1. That is 10. Will give us 5. Now equal to 5 raised to power n minus 1. Now, here we know that the base here is what? Is 5. So here we are also going to find here, because we know that the last number here is 5. It means we can also get the base here as 5. But how many times will 5 go into 625? For a layman, those who cannot understand how to get this particular thing, the best thing you need to use the LCM method. Just use 625 divided by 5. 5 into 6 will give us 1, remaining 1. That will give us 2. That is 10, remaining 2. That will give us 5. 5 here will give us 2. Alright, that is 10, remaining 2 will give us 5. 5 here will give us 5. 5 here will give us 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means 5 can go into 625 4 times. So here we now have 5 raised to power 4 equal to 5 raised to power n minus 1. Now you can see that both of them now have the same base as 5. So what you need to do, you collect what? The power. We'll take the power because this one will cancel this. So remaining 4 equal to n minus 1. So from here we have gotten the values of n. All we need to do is to collect like terms. So here, leave the n there because n here is what? Is a positive. So your solution formula must be positive value. So leave it there, don't take it away. So bring this one to join 4. So now I have 4. As one is crossing the equality sign, is a negative, it will now become what? Plus. That's a plus 1 equal to n. So therefore n is equal to 5. So this is the values of n, which means we have 5 terms in this sequence, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this, what you need to do, go through again, you'll be able to understand how to solve this particular problem. So I want you to share and also to subscribe. So like it, so that next time I post a video, you'll be the first to receive it. So that is what you need to do. Okay? So don't forget what you need to do. Go through again, try to look at the problem. That's the first thing.